Racing just is started. Zerikit first to show quickness at the start. Moving up, Royal Pair is Zidionet in the middle portion. Jupiter Thunder, Black Label, Interceptor, while Paragoot's Order is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, Zerikit, Jupiter Thunder, Royal Pair is already outside Zidionet. Black Label comes next, Interceptor, while Paragoot's Order is still racing in lengths back to the leader. We have Zerikit by a length and a half. Royal Pair moving a party outside. Black Label. Zidionet, Paragoot's Order is down on the inside. Jupiter Thunder, Interceptor. Back to the leader. We have Paragoot's Order now takes command, moving a party outside. Black Label in the middle portion. Royal Pair, Zerikit, then comes Zidionet, Jupiter Thunder, while entry number 7, Interceptor, now racing in less inside the last 400. We have Paragoot's Order in control, maintaining a length lead. And in second, now is Black Label, Zerikit, Royal Pair. Down on the inside is Jupiter Thunder as they swing for home. We have Paragoot's Order, this time by about 2 lengths. And in second is Black Label, Royal Pair is on the outside. Last 75 meters, we have Paragoot's Order, followed by Black Label, and finally it's Paragoot's Order. Black Label, then comes Zidionet, Royal Pair, Zerikit.
2645 unofficial, 26 forecast 27.
Talagang mahina na ang laban ni